Hello friends! You say you got a Buick Encore and a burnt out brake or backup bulb? Well, let me show you how to fix it in less than 3 minutes. Let's get after it. Note that what I'm about to show you on the right side panel works identically on the left. Remove this outer panel and anything you have stored inside. We need to access the rear bulbs through this inner panel, so let's remove it. The best tools for removing these plastic panels are nylon pry bars. I've selected this one that has a slight hook. Press the edge of the tool in the seam of the panel and gently pry outwards. The back of the bulbs are revealed here. Let's get a closer look. Let's get closer still. If your brake bulb is bad, it's located here, but what we're after is the backup bulb located here. Grab the bulb receptacle and facing the back of the vehicle, turn counterclockwise and pull outward. The collar of the bulb receptacle fits into these 4 slots upon reassembly. Here you can see collar tabs that fit into the slots. Pull straight out on the bulb to remove it from its receptacle. The man at the Auto Big Box store said that these were the backup bulbs required for my vehicle. Note that it doesn't hurt an incandescent bulb to handle it with your naked fingers, unlike a halogen bulb, so let's just press it back into place in its receptacle. Then line up your receptacle tabs and insert the bulb into place in the 4 slots shown earlier. Turn clockwise to tighten. I found the inner panel requires the short side to be inserted first, and then just press it into place until it seats all the way around. Reinstall your jumper cables or other storage items, and reattach the outer panel cover. Looks great. You can do this. Thanks for watching, and this project is complete.